Hi children, today our topic is from third chapter pair of linear equations in two variables, 2 marks questions. In the last video we discussed about second chapter, that is polynomial important questions. Please check the video in my YouTube channel. See here 2 marks questions. First we need to learn the formulas. Here what are intersecting lines? If a1x, b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 are two equations, then a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then that lines are called intersecting lines. And next, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is not is equals to c1 by c2, that is called parallel lines. Next, third formula, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2 is called coincident lines. These three are very important for this chapter. Here when and again inconsistent, then when the pair of linear equations are inconsistent, when there is a parallel lines, then that lines are inconsistent and no solution for that. In two situations, we can say that lines are consistent if we have one solution and many solutions. In one solution, if the lines are intersecting lines, one solution, and if the lines are coincident lines, we have many solutions. Learn these formulas to do the problems in this chapter. First question, find the pair of linear equations are intersect, parallel or coincident lines. See here the question is they are asking the given two lines, that lines are intersect lines or parallel lines or coincident lines. First, take the two equations, 3x plus y is equal to 7, 6x plus 2y is equal to 8. Compare with these two equations with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. From the first equation, write a1 value is 3, b1 value is 1, c1 value is minus 7. Here a2 value is x, 6, b2 value is 2, c2 value is minus 8. Write a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to minus 7 by 8. So that is 3 1 ja 3 2 ja. 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 not is equal to 7 by 2. These two are equal, this is not equal. This is which we can represent. This is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not is equal to c1 by c2. The lines are parallel lines. From this one, we can say the lines are parallel using this a1 formula. Next, so finally the answer is 3x plus y is equal to 7 and 6x plus 2y is equal to 8 are parallel lines. You may get this type of questions. Next, second question, same like first question. 2x is equal to 5y plus 6 and 15y is equal to 6x minus 18. First write in order wise. 2x minus 5 minus 6 is equal to 0. Here 6x minus 15y minus 18 is equal to 0. And again a1, a2, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2 values. And apply the a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. If you apply this one, you get 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Here all are equal. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. From the formula we can say if the every a1 by a2 value is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, we can say that lines are in coincident lines. Okay, next question. Find the following pairs of lines are consistent or inconsistent. See here, consistent, when we said consistent and inconsistent, already we discussed now. See here, they given two equations, 3x plus 2y is equal to 5, 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. Here one more equation they given. For first equation, 3x plus 2y is equal to 5, 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. This is first equation, this is second equation. From first equation, write a1, b1, c1 values and also write a2, b2, c2 value from the second equation. Now compare a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. You get all values are not equal. So when we said all values are not equal, the lines are intersecting lines. So when we have intersecting lines, that is consistent and we have only one solution. The next question is 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y is equal to 7. 9x minus 10y is equal to 14. First, this is convert into normal equation. That is, take the LCM. 2 3 is 6. This is here 2, here 6. So in 2 table where you get 6, 3 is. So again that 3 and multiply with this 3. So 3 3 is 9x plus. Here 3 is there. In 3 table where you get 6, 2 is. So multiply 2 with numerator 5. So you get 10. 10y is equals to 7. 9x plus 10y is equal to 6 7 is 42. That is the first equation. Already this is second equation. Again same, write a1 b1 c1 values and a2 b2 c2 values and compare a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. You get 1 not is equals to minus 1 not is equal to 3. Here also everywhere not is equal. So that is intersecting line and consistent and we have one solution. Next, third question is find the value of k so that the pair of equations x plus 2y is equal to 5 and 3x plus ky plus 15 is equal to 0 has a unique solution. We need to find the value of k. The given two equations same like previous. X plus 2y is equal to 5. We can write as x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. That is first equation. And 3x plus ky plus 15 is equal to 0. That is the second equation. Again compare a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2 and write a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. You get 1 by 3 not is equals to 2 by k not is equal to minus 5 by 15. So we have only unique solution, means one solution means intersecting lines. So here take 1 by 3 not is equal to 2 by k. Where is the k value is there? They equate that to. That is k into 1 is k not is equal to 6. K not is equal to 6 means except to value of 6. The k value is applicable for every real number. So thus for all real values of k other than 6, the given system of equations will have unique solution. Okay, next question is find the value of k for which of the following system of equations x plus 2y is equal to 5 and 3x plus ky plus 15 is equal to 0 has no solution. Here in previous question they given one unique solution. Here no solution. See, again compare x plus 2y is minus 5 is equal to 0 first equation. 3x plus ky plus 15 is equal to 0 second equation. Compare a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2 and write a1 by a2 b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. If you apply 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 not is equal to minus 5 by 15. Here we have 2. So compare 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by k once and 2 by k not is equal to minus 5 by 15 once. If you compare these two, k into 1 k is equal to 6 and here 15 3 2 ja 30. 30 is equal to minus 5k, k is equal to minus 30 by 5. So 5 1 ja 5 6. What is the k value? K value 6 and k is equal to minus 6 is the answer.